Hey ladies, welcome back to my channel. So I found a perfect wig that you guys can get on Amazon. This wig is from Domiso Hair and this is their 13x6 Afro Kinky curly lace frontal wig. I have it in 20 inches and you guys, this wig is looking so natural and the lace was super easy to melt. Definitely beginner friendly, and of course we installed this wig with no glue. So of course I'm giving you guys a quick unboxing. Now here is the wig here. She came really nice and secure and intact. Again, this is from Domiso Hair. You can find them on Amazon, and this is their Afro Kinky curly lace frontal wig. As you guys can see, that lace is super thin. It is giving pure HD. A little transparent though because she is a little bit white, but the wig also does come pre-plucked for you. That hairline is looking extremely natural. Inside the wig you have the combs and you also have the adjustable elastic band for a nice glueless wig install. So let's go ahead and jump on into the install. Now I'm going to give you guys some more close-ups of all the details regarding the wig. So as you guys can see, the adjustable straps, you're going to see how much lace room this wig has, etc. Now I did not do anything to this wig because I know you guys see that lace. It is giving you do not have anything to do. It comes pre-plucked, and also I do feel like the lace was thin enough and it was bleached enough to the point where it's just like I really don't need to do anything. Anything that I would do, such as bleaching or anything like that, it will kind of be excessive at this point. So all I did was just add some makeup on the lace. I adjusted that adjustable strap and I went ahead and I threw her on. The wig was a little loose, but it wasn't too bad. It was still a nice secure fit. So I was like, okay, cool. We're not going to have any issues when it comes to laying this lace down. So I was just taking a quick look to see exactly how the wig would lay on me, make sure I liked it. Then I went ahead and cut off all the additional lace that I did not need. Okay, all of that lace is gone. So one more time, I'm gonna make sure that I like how the hairline looks. As you guys saw, I just cut right in front of the hairline, left a little bit of lace because we still need to lay her down. So I just went in with my lace adhesive spray, went in with a couple of rounds of this. I waited until it got tacky and then I just went ahead and just laid the wig down and pressed her right on in. Alright, the lace is down now. I also did go in with some melting spray as well. If you're wondering why I got these two little pieces of hair on the sides, it's because my sideburns are extremely noticeable. So I do what I can whenever it comes to 13x6s to make sure that I cover it up with the hair in itself, because if I was to try to do like sideburns with the wig, it's just not gonna look right. So this is a lot of hair, so I decided to go ahead and stick with the middle part, but I will be going in with my wax stick and my hot comb, of course, on each side of my middle part, just to make sure that the wig is laying as flat as it can. Now remember to not run the hot comb through the curls. You do not want to damage the curls. I'm only doing this at the very top. Okay, both sides are finished. Now I am gonna leave this elastic band on because we are going to do a nice curly fluffy curly hair routine with this wig, and I just didn't want to mess up how my lace was laying. I didn't want it to come up or anything like that. So we just left the elastic band on. I did one side off camera, but now I'm going to show you guys how to do the other side. So if you are pressed on time, I feel like this is the easiest way to get your curls to pop. This is also very beginner friendly. I know that there's certain trends when it comes to curly wigs now, and doing this whole coiling method, that just takes way too much time. Also, this wig, the curls are pretty much defined, so we're just gonna kind of like refresh them, if that makes any sense. So the first thing that you want to do is obviously separate the hair. You can do 3 sections, 4 sections. I'm just sticking with 2 because that's all that I felt like the wig needed. I saturated the hair with some water, and I'm going to be using the raking method and the smoothing method. The smoothing method just means you are just pressing the product into the hair, which we're going to be using water and gel today. And the raking method means that I'm going to be using my fingers as combs to kind of just comb through the hair. Being that this is an Afro Kinky curly wig, I did not want to go in with a brush because I was going to mess up the curl pattern. After I saturated the hair with water, I just rubbed some of the gel in my hands and just smoothed it right on into the hair. It was really easy, and as you guys can see, my hands was just gliding through the hair in itself, so it was of great quality. I do want to also say that for this being an Afro Kinky curly wig, I did not have crazy amounts of shedding. I did not have crazy amounts of tangling. Just be sure that when you are dealing with these type of wigs, you do not try to detangle it without water. Water is extremely important, and it's also important to take your time as well. Okay, so both sides are officially completed. As you guys can see, the curl pattern is beautiful. It is just popping right on through. I love it. I also love the fact that the wig came like ready like that. All we had to do was refresh it. So I took that elastic band off. I added some more foundation in the parting area and also at the very edge of the lace. And as you guys can see, the hair is completely dry at this point. So if you would like it to be even more fluffier and fuller, just go in with a pick and just pick out the hair. And you could do this as much as you want. So after all the picking and the fluffing, this was the final result, you guys, and you cannot tell me that this hair does not look good. I also feel like it looks extremely natural as well. The lace was of great quality. It was not too hard to make it melt or look natural. I love how the wig came plucked for you. I love the quality of the hair in general, and I also love how much lace room is on this wig. Make sure you guys check out my description box down below. Everything will be listed there. Thank you for tuning in, and I will see you next time.